In this video, with my partners Kenia, Maria, and Mariana, and me, Luis Alberto, we're going to present weird sounds made by animals. This sound is made by dolphins. They produce this sound with their muscles of their noses.
This sound is emitted by a French dog called Walter. Walter has its own Instagram account, and Walter posts a video singing every week.
The lynxes make these sounds to warn other lynxes that is their territory. Also, they emit long vocalizations to attract partners, serious grunts when they are in a fight, and short howls to locate their babies.
This is not an aggressive koala sound. Instead of that, they make this sound to call the females for their reproduction.
This sound is emitted by a cheetah. The cheetahs cannot roar. They are capable of emitting sounds like grunts or purrs. But the most particular sound is this that is similar to a sound of a bird. It's emitted by the mothers when they want to have the attention of their offsprings.
The walruses make all sorts of sounds like grunts, screams, whistles, and they use all to communicate. For example, babies cry when they are in danger.
The foxes produce these sounds when they are happy. I think they are very similar to those of a baby.
Well.
This is the desert rain frog. It lives in the desert of South Africa. With this, scare away the predators, and with this, this species can survive.
Cats are famous because of the infinity weird sounds that they can emit. I'm not kidding. You could spend hours listening to all the sounds they can make. Sometimes they sound like birds, sometimes like humans, and even like dogs.